amal, deed. And that is how to listen to, how to hear the sound of the pond of Kawthar. Now what is Kawthar? Kawthar is one of the streams in Jannah. Whiter than milk, sweeter than honey, and colder than ice. And whosoever drinks one sip of Kawthar shall never feel thirsty. And this is a gift given to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now we have the river Kawthar, and then we have Hawd, the pond. Yes? So the water of the Hawd, the pond, is the water of Kawthar. We have two rivers, Kawthar wa Salsabil. So Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha, she narrates, and this hadith has been narrated by Imam Al-Qadiri, that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam once, he came to her radiallahu ta'ala anha, and do you know, al-Mu'mineen Sayyiduna Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu ta'ala anha, she passed away on 17th of Ramadan. So the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed her, إِذَا جَعَلْتِ إِسْبَعَكِ فِي أُذُنَيْكِ, that if you were to place your finger in both of your ears, if you were to insert your fingers into your ears, سَمِعْتِ خَرِيلَ الْكَوْثَرِ, you will be able to hear the sound of Al-Kawthar. Now those who are viewing me at this very moment in time, I would like you, if you don't want to insert your fingers into your ear canals, at least you can press onto your ears and cover your ears. You'll be able to hear a sound similar to like a waterfall. So imagine the water of Kawthar entering the Hawd, the pond. So if you can do that, mashallah, it's a very peaceful sound. Yes, every time you feel in a state of anxiety, worry, stress, okay, just close the eyes and close the ears and listen to that beautiful sound and imagine what the real sound will feel like. When we will see, inshallah, the river of Kawthar entering the Hawd, and the Prophet ﷺ himself will be scooping out water and giving it to his beloveds, to his ummah to drink. So this was a beautiful hadith. I hope, inshallah, you will implement that, and hopefully, inshallah, you'll be delighted by this very beautiful hadith of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.